Well, if I talk a me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really a go on. Yeah, man, no, move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is an emerging story, viewers and subscribers, but residents of Seaview have said release Dexter Daps. Them want the artist returned, viewers and subscribers. Now, as I say, unconfirmed, but an emerging story. Footage, however, of the artist being let out of the community, viewers and subscribers. In plain view of the community, never happened at night time. You know what I mean? It was in broad daylight. Now the footage there, and as I say, when I get the confirms from the JCF as to the matter, with them address, why you see them forward and them numbers, and one or two of them at the Hunts Bay station forward, and not normal when them roll in, even though they are the closest in proximity to the Seaview Garden community. So I would have them forward anyway take it. So viewers and subscribers, look on the footage and we will continue the reasoning. Look. And clearly you hear the opinion of not just fans, residents, everybody within the community, the people them that they must see you release the artist. It come like them themselves don't know why this happen. Because we not hear no resident forward out and I say, yo, at that one make them all on him array. We not hear nothing like that. I always say the people must say, yo, do you know that take place during them time, yeah? We don't know what go on. Was Dexter Daps one of the artists or one of the individuals making outside videos? We don't know. Me not see none, me never see none personally. Not that I am searching for them, but none was brought to my attention with him being an artist, a superstar. That wouldn't wise for FEMA account. Is it some other matter? There were other things being discussed in the community. Me no wish for talk about it now. You have some other things that take place in the community. You know, some name that I call them as your Dexter involved. We now go bring it up on the program. Was this in correlation to that matter? Not sure. That happened many months ago. See me? But because of the type of thing, we don't really want to mention it. We only can tell you, say, yes, we are aware of a situation in the community in which the artist's name did I get called upon. But we don't know if it's authenticity. And we're not going to bring it up now for them to say, yo, you know what I mean? At that go on, man. No, we don't know that. So we're not going to mention it. As we get more information from our go on, we're going to definitely bring that to the fans, the supporters. You know what I mean? We know the settings. Gaza Nation know the settings when allegations are brought forward against the artist and Ray. So we know that's something they go. You see that situation happened to any artist, we don't wish that for no artist at all. So Dexter Daps are artists represent for the ladies specifically. We know the ladies them right now. They want to know what going on with Daps. The ladies want Daps released. Even though there's no shows and performance what we see for right now, but them still want the artist. Songs can still be recorded, them can still seen live and things of that nature. Viewers and subscribers, sad situation. See my hold it humble like a G though. When I see my flip up and him no look. Well, we can see, you don't know, in that situation, you're going to see that worried. So we can see the artist looking worried indeed. But, you know what I mean? I want to hear the management forward out to say, yo, at this, go on. There's been no public statement at this point in time. We don't know if a lawyer has been retained. We don't know. This doesn't look like routine questioning neither. You know what I mean? Yeah, it don't really look like routine questioning neither. It more look like, you know what I mean? Something was out for him, Ray, and them forward, come serve the Ray and them gone with it. Say, look, viewers and subscribers, talk to me. Those who reside in the community will know exactly what take place. But we can take it to the comment section. We can hold a discussion via the comment section, viewers and subscribers. It's a breaking story. You know what I mean? And Dexta Daps being an artist where we don't normally expect to hear or see things like this happen to hardcore dancehall artists. We are saying about certain subject matter in the music. Daps, while having a couple songs to him accreditation with, you know what I mean? Yeah, you can say hardcore songs like Shabba Mother Pattern, a few others. We can say him have them songs to him catalog. But other than that, predominantly for the females, majority of Daps hit songs are songs for the ladies. And that are the truth and the facts of the matter. So, if you see this happen to an artist who sing predominantly for the ladies, people are wonder what kind of play that. I'm gonna know, as I said, the ladies themselves, you know, see the amount of women in the community we found out where I say, yo, Daps, we let him go. The whole time scheme found out. I think about 4 schemes, I'm not sure. But the CVU community have multiple schemes. A theme scheme enough for foul team, a theme place. All the ladies in the Daps scheme roll out. No doubt more like the entire community did roll out to say Wagwan for the artist. Yo, sad situation. Remember I going Quadra recently. And Quadra up on the streets now, when I hear much mention of the situation. As you know, it's before the courts. And certain matters before the courts cannot be discussed. Depending on the nature of how you discuss it. You can talk about it, say it before the courts, and you're, you know what I mean? Things of that nature about him himself not gonna necessarily really tell we certain things while it's at this stage. So I guess that's why we have heard no more mention from that. Last thing we hear about somebody that matter like this, a foot and we're saying it's so forward out. So if you say Daps gone in, dancehall industry I say Wagwan. We say footer are forward out, but Daps gone in. That's the next member of the industry as well to viewers and subscribers. So share your thoughts and your opinions. I mean, definitely something where most people are going definitely want to know what take place with this. Type of artist are going to fuel that. Assumptions are going to start to make. There will be lots of speculations. People are going to say this, or that, or the reason they are because of that, or because of that, the third, the way. People are going to have a lot of things to say. So we have to go keep that in mind and know, so yo, you know what I mean? With all being said, I'm gonna get level. No doubt there will be some form of ban or bail, and he will jump out on that. I doubt them gonna deny him bail. So we can look forward to see him soon and very soon at the same time. You know what I mean? So with that being said, this is what is transpiring right now. Breaking news as we speak, viewers and subscribers. Dexta Daps has been held in connection with what? We don't know. In connection with what? At this point in time, we don't know. You know what I mean? And depending upon when this drop, it was recorded when the story just emerged. You know what I mean? So yeah. But the latest viewers and subscribers from Dexta Daps and his career during this time, particular moment in time. Sad situation, we can't stop that enough. Even in these times, to be away from friends and family in a place where they're going to put Daps right now, with all the war going, nobody no want this. No matter how you feel like, say, yeah, you man enough and you brave enough to can go, but yeah, you don't want this right now. And nobody no want to see you. Nobody no want a body from outside a forward, you know. And that's the facts of the matter. Nobody ever want to see no outsider right now. They must say, well, we there, so we good. We don't want them to bring nobody in. So, nobody no want to go there. And who they don't want to see nobody. It's not a place to be. Them say no gathering, so why you don't want to gather this? So, out of all places at this, you want to gather. So, I know say at this point in time, Daps, first and foremost, never foresee this to take place. So, like say you need to expect this, you know what I mean? So talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Vice the one called Jaden Chase. the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding you, if you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it upon all. And this is how you know you'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there as well from my life page, up a like on the blog. In truth, the share icon is also there as well. You can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. Comment section always open 24/7. That never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, however. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions. Dear viewers and subscribers, you know the settings. And for those who don't, you man move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, gonna live, love, and of course prosper until we reason again, fam.